I think we should first have a look at our glass mat because it's here in front of me. So there we go. So we've got our glass mat. Let me just get rid of some of, there we go. Just get rid of that sticky bit. Right, so let's have a look at our glass mat. It's absolutely perfect for any crafty table. Now your measurements in your inches are 18 inches by 12 inches, but you've got a little bit of extra. So officially it's 13 by 19 inches because you've got that extra little bit. Now why do I need a glass mat? Obviously, it's the perfect surface to work on. It's smooth, it's wipeable, and it keeps everything in place. Now, I've got all my little measurements down here. So, you know, if we're crafting, I might take something up. Oh, yeah, 5 by 5 inches. Perfect. If I want to see where I am, you know, oh, I've got something here. Oh, yes, this is, there we go, A5 in size because it's half my A4. All of that is absolutely perfect. It's also really good when you're doing your, maybe you're wrapping ribbons around something so you can line it up and then you can use your grid lines, or if you're marking things out, absolutely perfectly. But more importantly, it's brilliant if I want to use as a palette. So here I have a little piece of card that I embossed, and what I can do is I can take my gilding waxes, I'm popping them on my glass mat. Make sure you use it before I do my embossing, gilding, pop that on, but I know I can come along and I can, look at that, clean it down. Oops, stuck on that little bit of tape, and everything will be perfectly clean. And the same applies if I want to do some inking. So I've got another one here, I've got a little bit of ink, I can go straight onto there. Oh, picked up a quick dry ink there, picked it up, pop it on like that, blend it onto my dauber, and away I go onto here. So it's the perfect palette, because no sooner have I finished that, then straight away we're back to being clean again. So we've got the perfect work area. Now this is absolutely perfect. The one last thing I want to show you is look at this as a palette. If you're working with your aqua pens, I can use this to put my ink down, popping that down here, getting these the right way around. I can use it as a mixing palette, I can use it as a carrier. It's entirely up to you. Popping those onto there, grabbing myself some water, little spritz of water, look at that, puddle it on there, and then I can mix as I need, pick up a bit more water, and then I can do my wash on my cardstock, picking that up as I need to go before I move over with my next colour, picking it up and doing another wash. Oh, how pretty is that? Really, really lovely. And all the time I know that when I've finished, I can clean it back up and I'm good to go. But how perfect is that? It's the perfect smooth surface. So those are just some of the things that you could be doing with your glass mat if you get one.